it's Hannah with WTI. As a family of five, I am always looking for excellent food storage containers, and this set by UTaste is an excellent choice. These are made of silicone, but they are very heavy duty. Some silicone containers I've had are kind of wimpy, but these are extremely thick and hold their shape really, really well. Another awesome thing about these is how well and how easily they seal. The lid literally just slides on and it kind of has an inside and outside seal, and they are completely leak proof. You can put anything in these. I even put water and shook it all around, nothing leaks. They also have this really cool option with the tab, and then they have the numbers of the days of the month around the top. So you can mark what date you put your food in here and easily be able to tell if it's still good or not. They also have measurements for cups and milliliters. It's super easy to put leftovers in here. You don't have to worry about the tops collapsing in. And then you can pop these in the microwave and eat right out of them because they're also easy to eat out of, just like a little bowl. You can throw these things in the dishwasher so they are easy maintenance. The little tab that marks the date also makes it really easy to open. Even my 3-year-old can easily open these for a snack. The outside of them is clear, so it's easy to see what leftovers are in what container. These would be great for so many purposes around your house, whether it's leftovers, little snacks on the go, craft items. These things are just a really, really awesome thing to have around your house. So see these little storage containers? Your kitchen needs them. But that's just my point of view.